Hey everybody, I just received a text message from a very good friend of mine that says Tuesday Morning has filed for Chapter 11. They are under bankruptcy protection. Wednesday, with plans to close more than a third of its stores. Tuesday Morning has been struggling with the coronavirus pandemic. Oh my God, girls, what does this mean? And then it's also other companies that have filed for Chapter 11, such as JCPenney, Neiman Marcus, J. Crew. Do you think that they're going to come back under a different name eventually? But I just wanted to share this with you. Tuesday Morning is filing for bankruptcy. Wow. That mean things will go on sale? There'll be even bigger sales? What do you guys think? How do you feel about this? I just wanted to share this amazing news. Oh my gosh, this pandemic is affecting so many different things. Wow. Alright everybody, have a great day and I will catch you all real soon. Leave me a comment below. Let me know how you feel about all this. Alright, bye.